Yeah. Ice. Yeah.
Hello people, so in this video, as the title suggests, we have officially hit $1 million invested. Kind of surreal moment, and the big M. I mean, yo, honestly, been waiting for this moment. The last time I made a video, we were at 300,000. I didn't make a video and explain that we were something like 600, 700,000, probably like 2, 3 months ago. Finally hit it. A lot of stuff have changed since then, if I'm being honest. With that said, I'm going to tell you why I bought the stocks that I bought, why I'm sell some of the stocks them I'm sell, all while using our sponsor. Well, they have been a sponsor my YouTube channel for a while now. I'm just one of probably the worst promotional persons to use because I rather use the numbers. However, personally, I've tested it out with the new features and I actually like it. From the 600,000 onwards to the $1 million, I actually was using MyMoneyJA predominantly. You can see the power of what it actually is. That's it. Let's begin. My portfolio end up got very lean, for being honest. I only have three main stocks, or three stocks with most of the money that made up the $1 million. One, I sold Jamaica Broilers Group. I bought some at $16, much, November. But I ended up selling because I'm like, I know that they're going to do well or do better in the future. Do I want to continue buying a stock that might continuously decline? The answer was no. So I end up sell that. Mostly sell it, not because nothing going to change, but I feel like it's going to take them a little time to kind of flesh out certain things, especially with the US market. We can revamp, or which is $1 million I know we can start buy because I've passed the threshold that I wanted to pass. But yeah, so that was really the reason why I sold it. And funny enough, when I sold it at 16 something, since then it's actually gone down further. So I guess that was a lucky break. That wasn't any technical analysis or nothing. It was just that I had a goal. I had to choose the best winners for this particular goal to come to fruition. To be honest, nothing like some crackers and water for lunch at work. Make your dreams them happen. You see me? And let's start for the rambling. This is the MyMoneyJA app. Fancy. Every now and then my hint at it. Really and truly. The index, top performers, top decliners, etc., etc., etc. Now, the first, so this is also where you would get, I'll make a full video on how it really works. This is very important. This is like a very cool thing. So you get like a notation of what happened. Shareholder results, dividends, meetings, IPOs, all that stuff, etc., etc. All them come right there, which is good. However, predominantly we're focused on for going a portfolio shows that currently I am sitting at $1,224,000. The cool thing I like about MyMoneyJA is that it has a feature where essentially you can connect your portfolio to, or connect MyMoneyJA to your actual portfolio you have with JMB or Barrett or whatever. From a JMB portfolio, I connected it to this particular portfolio. It shows every sale that's been done as it relates to the cargo handlers. So I'm saying the first company on my list was Cargo Handlers. Really and truly, Cargo Handlers is a company that provides stevedoring services, equipment leasing, and essentially, as the name states, cargo handling in the Montego Bay Freeport area. What is their biggest flex to me per se is that they own 30% of a company that sells cement, which probably is one of the more feasible competitions for Carib cement. So, and you see how Jamaica market booming and things. Eventually they might actually eventually them are gonna start pick up back. Especially the whole cement situation. We'll see what really take place going further. A lot of people selling the shares, but to be honest, at this price, I'll make it stay as is. Because I'm saying this is the smallest out of the group. As you can see, they do pay dividends because I did get some dividends from them. Nothing crazy. Still did get dividends. As well as you can see here, so it shows say they haven't made as much money as they did for the previous years. That kind of dwarfing the stock price as is right now. It's a company that pays at least twice a year, still supposed to get another set of dividends somewhere in September based off history. As you can see, somewhere in September, we're supposed to get another set of dividends. We'll see what is what when the time comes. The last thing I can say about cargo handlers is the trade history. So I'll go back in the portfolio. It showed the history. So you can see about 47 units at 1799, then buy another 1,200 units at 20, then another 4,996 at 100 and odd, then another 9,000 odd. All in all, I'm currently at a loss of $40,000. Lots of $40,000 in the portfolio for cargo handlers. That is actually the only stock that non-portfolio actually down. These are some smallest units. The next company that I have is everybody favorite, everybody favorite TransJamaica Highway. TransJamaica operates the toll road, Highway 2000 to be exact. You cross the toll, you pay fees with Trans. The current value of the position that I'm currently in is $140,000. So $140,000 I have in Trans at this time. The current market value for the amount of shares that I have is $156,000. Currently, I am up 11% since my buy it. No, I don't want to preface that. As I said, this was just for this video. Now people say, "Oh, you talk about Trans so much." You don't have enough Trans shares. I have shares in Trans in my other portfolio, but for this, brothers was buying predominantly. This is the amount I buy for Trans, really and truly. The intention is to continue through the rest of the year to actually increase my position in this, as it is a Trans. Literally, we just did buy it, get some dividends. That was that. As I said at the end of the video, I'll go through like some of the metrics and them something there, just showing you how I used Trans, how I use MyMoneyJA. One of the things that I also use is I have some alerts on MyMoneyJA that basically indicates to me stock is close to the price of the average price, which this shows the average cost per share. The market is currently at 699. Average is 626. Whenever Trans go down to closer, I have alert me. So say, all right, I can buy some. For example, let me see if I can show you, because I did get most of these shares at 599 because I got the alert. Hey, Trans is at a level. You might want to look into it. It is a nice little notification. As you can see, the history really and truly would have started really right here. So as you can see, I buy 15,989 shares at $5.99, which is about $96,000. Then JMB hold on for money for a good look at minute. I'm not gonna lie to you. A good look at minute, they hold on for money for it because they were trying to fill out more at the $5.99. Stock price never revisited back that price. That did happen. That ended up happening. And then when finally decided to make cancel order and then buy back some more, the stock price had gone up to 686, etc., etc. That is why it currently the way there. I say total gain or loss is 16,000. My average, my purchasing cost is $140,000. There is that. As I say, I've traded Trans a lot. I see it show total sales, total purchasing $2.8 million. But as I say, I did liquidate my shares and create a blank canvas for this portfolio. So the last stock on this list really and truly is probably when guessing by now Carreras. A lot of persons don't necessarily like the idea of what Carreras does for business, but looking at from an investor's point of view, and is about the dividends, if I'm being honest. So this portfolio, if you don't get it by now, was predominantly a dividend portfolio that kind of raise. So Carreras, and the total amount I have on Carreras is, so I spent $705,000 in Carreras. I made about $68,000 so far, and dividend spending. So, and as I say, Carreras is just a cigarette company that a cigarette company. Them sell cigarettes, vape, etc. etc. So yeah, that is really it as it relates to the main stocks. I can show you there's they have made more money than pay dividends. There's upcoming dividends, which as I say, a cool thing about this, MyMoneyJA has actually notified me that hey, you have a dividend coming up soon. When I go to portfolio, I'm going to portfolio. When you go to portfolio and it show and you go to dividend, it shows that you have upcoming dividends coming up. Estimated time supposed to be somewhere. Payment supposed to be somewhere in June, based on the current amount I shared now at about $13,000, which is good. You take the look at dividends. There's that. As I say, for Carreras, I have $768,000 currently. It's the biggest in my portfolio. Yeah, there are technically some honorable mentions. May have you can see right here. May have 350 units of Wigton at average price of 58 cents. No, they are $1.17. Good little return. This I must say, I never really have them shares here. Me have them shares here donkey years ago. Really and truly, I have one share in Carib Cement. Carib Cement is alright. They've been growing. I think them kind of reach a level now. The whole fact that they're not paying dividends and sitting on a lot of money really rub me the right way. To be honest, I just have it to just I guess look at. The next stock that I have right now, which is losing me little money, is 400 units off RPL, Regency Petroleum Limited. Gas price is going to the roof, so I know them probably a feel it. There is that. Them that are really the other honorable mention stocks that I'll have. When we reach them now, I'll just give you I guess the rough three metrics for the companies them where the three main companies them. Yeah, so really and truly can be summarized up into less than a minute, really and truly. I have 156,000 line of chance. I am currently up 11%. I have 100,000 in a cargo handlers right now. I am down 28%. I'm have $768,000 in Carreras. I am up 9% on that. All in all, the total portfolio is 1,024,191. And to be honest, I predominantly used MyMoneyJA for this scam light alert. I like the constant updates that you get every day, the trading day done. That was really a nice touch. I like the alert. Like said the alert for the prices, cause so come end up get the trans shares them at the $5.99. I know trans is at $6.99 as of right now. Let me see what I go on. Let me say is alert. The alert me make me get the trans shares them at this $5.99 marks. Yeah. So really and truly, that is it, man. And for whomsoever there long enough, this particular watch I'm have on, Family goes on officially first. Sure. A T-shirt. I've had my eyes on this watch for years. Automatic movement in the battery, nothing pretty. Yeah, I bought this watch when I actually firstly hit $1 million. I already have more than $1 million in portfolio, but for this portfolio and the challenges and them something I have to go through, forget it. It was definitely a worthwhile adventure, not gonna lie. And see now I'm reaching $1 million. I'm gonna get the PlayStation 5. I played 2 games on my PlayStation 5. I have not turned it on back since. The only thing is that it was something that I had to get for myself. Yeah, but I have to get the PlayStation 5 for myself. So it's a proof of concept to say you reach $1 million, I'm gonna get this because I'm reach that. I don't know what else I'm gonna buy going further. Going further. We see something else we like and you will get it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you're not wasting the time. I feel like I'm wasting the time. Love you guys as always. Peace. See if it's a record. The phone wouldn't give up.